Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel tips and tricks. So today's video is about alwaysTo method. I'm following this Laravel blog and I found a very nice article on this alwaysTo. So I'm going to explain what is the purpose of this alwaysTo and how to use this. So let's first understand the scenario where we need to use this alwaysTo method. So for example, we deployed our project on the server and then we tested it, and then we found an issue that it's not working as expected. Then we switched from production to a local environment, and our project contain a mail component where we are sending different mails to our customers, right? And now we don't know, or maybe we know and we don't want to change all of the mails when we are testing this mail component. So what are the steps we need to take on, right? Because whenever we test our email feature, so we are going to send an email to our clients, and our client will be very angry if we send an email. So how to avoid this? So Laravel provide us a very cool feature for this. So you need to go to your app server provider, or you can basically go to any of the your service provider, because in every request Laravel executing the Laravel is this app service provider and other service provider. So you can add this into any of the other service provider into your boot method. So I'm going to explain this with this app service provider. So let's go to the app service provider, and in the app service provider there is a boot method, and in the boot method you need to define this property, and here you need to specify your email address. When you are testing it, it will send the emails to this email, not to the client email, even they are defined in your project. So that is the beauty of this alwaysTo method, right? So what it's going to does is it's going to replace override the method of to CCC and BCC. So it's not going to send the emails to your clients. So that is the beauty of this this component, this always method, not component. So hope you get an idea that how you can test this in your local environment with all of your real credentials. So this will prevent from sending the emails to your clients. So subscribe the YouTube channel for more upcoming updates. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.